Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX, welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at what systems are running hot in 2014. If you remember last time we reviewed some of our strategies for 2013. So we're already a month into the new year and we wanted to review what's really running well. So we're going to start off today with the bonds. We're going to have a look at the 30-year bonds and see how one of our strategies is running on that market. So let's jump in and have a look. So obviously what we're doing is we're reviewing some of our automated systems, and today specifically our Fortress strategy, and we're running systems on both futures and forex markets. Alright traders, so today we're having a look at the 30-year bonds, the treasury bonds, and we're having a look at the cycle trader, the trend, the Fortress and the fib trader. There's some of the systems that we run on our bonds market, but we're going to focus in on our Fortress strategy because it's been absolutely flying so far in 2014. We're looking at system F4. Every system we have, we give it a name and obviously a number, because we want to be able to tell which system is trading on which market so we can quickly access that strategy. So starting very well for 2014, outstanding results for 2013 as well. So let's jump in and have a look at the charts. Okay traders, so we're just on the charts now. We're looking at an 85 tick chart, so 85 transactions per price bar. And what we've got here is we've got the US bonds that we're tracking. This strategy is a Fortress strategy. You've probably seen it before in some of our videos. So it's a momentum trend-based strategy and works beautifully on several of the markets that we're trading. So what I want to do is just have a quick look at the stats, because this is one of the systems that's running really well so far in 2014. Had a obviously good performance in 2013 as far as its stats. So let's have a look at the breakdown here. So January we were already up $2,000. In February we're at around about 1,000, so it's performing as it typically does. October was its only negative month, and you can see there that it ranges between $1 to $4,000 and very consistent. So what we want to see with this strategy is we want to see that obviously it can continue on, and you can see here in February, even though we're only 9 days into February, it's already up $1,000. So expecting this to perform very well in February. Let's have a look at the performance summary. It's over the time that we've been tracking it, 13,750. The key stats here are the profit factor 2.18. The big thing for me in any strategy, particularly in automation, is that you want your average trade net profit, as I've mentioned numerous times on the videos, up over the $50 mark. The higher the better. This one is outstanding at 245, and the thing that really grabs me as well is that it's a good distribution of longs and shorts. Like, it's not just heavily weighted to the short side or the long side. You've actually got an average trade net profit well balanced over the $200 mark, which is fantastic, because what you'll typically see is that strategies that have a low average trade net profit don't work in real time. So that's one of your first red flags. If you see something that has a massive overall profit on the performance report, and it's the equity graph is at a 45-degree angle, and you're thinking this looks fantastic, but the average trade net profit is under $10, it's not going to make money real time in the market. So you've got to be very careful about that. You can see there the largest winning trade 1562, largest loser 562. So this isn't a strategy you would run on a smaller account. This is definitely not one you'd run on say a $10,000 account. This is more your $20,000-$50,000 account strategy, or if you had it as part of a multi-system portfolio strategy, that would be okay on a larger account. But max drawdown there 1781. That's trade close to close. So you can see that it's producing really good, obviously, stats all around. All the benchmark stats that we look at, like the number of trades there, 56. It doesn't trade obviously a lot of the time. 48% win rate, which is that's sitting where we would be comfortable. Anything below 30, you're typically going to probably struggle with that, so you want that as high as you possibly can get it. Now, as I mentioned before, this thing has come out of the gate really well in 2014. So again, you've got January $2,000, Feb, so you're up $3,000 on this strategy already. Super average trade net profit. So this is definitely one I would be looking at to add to my watch list, or if you're trading with a larger 50 or 100k portfolio, this is definitely one you would have on because it's got that huge reward to risk. So traders, thanks for joining us for that quick look at our US bond strategy on the Fortress. Again, if you'd like to become part of our team in 2014, we've got a few things available to you. You can obviously become one of our system owners. You could join us on our Emerging Managers platform or join us for the Pro Traders Academy. So there's plenty of things going on with GMT futures and FX. So if you'd like to contact us and join our team, all you need to do is send us an email at info@gmtfutures.com, and you can either speak to myself or Luke Ferguson, and we're more than happy to kind of take you through some of the opportunities, exciting opportunities we've got for 2014. So thanks for your time, and look forward to catching you on our next video. Cheers.